Imagine navigating pitch-black waters without using your eyes or ears. Electric fish have mastered this by generating weak electrical fields around their bodies. These fields act like invisible maps, instantly revealing obstacles, prey, and even other fish. But that's not all. Each fish's field is slightly unique, allowing them to send and receive coded signals. When two electric fish meet, they can alter their pulses to share information, warn rivals, or attract mates. This silent communication is so precise, it's like having a secret language written in electricity.